Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how you can start up an 3-phase electromotor, and if you are interested, please keep watching. Now I want to draw a power system and control system. Let's go. Well, now I want to explain the system, how works this system, and I draw a power wiring, and this is a control. This is a control wiring, and well, most important thing is that you get a specification of your nameplate. In your induction motor, the rated current is 11 and the 318 voltage delta, and that's why I use the delta in my terminal board. You can see this shows us that the coil into the electromotor is connected delta, and just it. I got a phase to our control system. You can see. Let's explain how it works. When you enable this circuit breaker, the voltage reaches the 95 and 96 normal close contact on overload relay, and after that it's normally closed. You can see the voltage passes this way and reach the push button, and normally this contact is closed to and reached this position, and this you can see when you push the start button momentarily. When you push this start button, momentarily voltage passes and reach this position, and this too. This is one side of bobbin that is into the conductor, and another side of conductor is connected to nature line, and when a phase reaches this position, the conductor bobbin will operate, and the up contact and down contact attract together, and the power system enables, and the voltage will achieve the terminal board on electromotor, and electromotor will start. Just it, you can see. And there is a parameter in your overload relay that is depend in your electromotor's rated current, that it's so important. For example, I write there 8, 11 and 20 ampere, and you can just justify this for your electromotor. And the cable size, you can get the best and suitable size from this table. Usually I use in my project this be careful. Distance is so important. When your distance between contactor and electromotor is high, your cable size will be increased, and be careful this. And the control wire I use usually 1 square millimeter. In my opinion is enough, and just it. These circuit breakers operate when honestly prevent of short circuit, because so important. It must be in your circuit. And this is a protective earth that can connect your that's the line is protective earth. It's important too. Just it's a simple way you can start up an electromotor. This is equipment that I used. Some of electromotor you can run or start directly like this. This electromotor was power was 5.5, and I started this directly to network, local network. And sometimes you need to run this electromotor as a delta and a star together, as this way. Anyway, just it. I hope you enjoyed that. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe and like button down below, and write your comment in comment section. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.